Okay, Carmelo, I got in the HGs. They're all a match set. See that 65 up there in the corner? That's what they are. They're brand spanking new. Just got them. Okay, I'm getting ready to solder the power cables back in and then hook the fans back up and hook the relay for the auxiliary fan back up, and I'll be able to get it out to you. Okay, Carmelo, I got 1,000 watt slugs in both of these. The multipliers on ×1, so we'll be reading on the bottom scale on both meters. 100 equals 1,000. Okay, so I'm at 14.9 volts, and I've got the power turned down to 200 watts dead key. Hello audio, audio 1 2 1 2 audio. Right at 1,000 watts peak. I'm going to turn the RF power all the way up now. Dead key in a little over 300, about 320 watts. Audio over 1,000. But to keep the meter from backing up, watch the RMS audio. See how it backs up? Turn it down right about 175. Audio. Audio. See how it goes forward? Audio. So let's see what happens if I turn it RF all the way down. Drops this down to about 80 watts. Audio. Still get over 950. Okay, I do have mic gain turned all the way up, and I'm using the stock microphone. Audio testing, testing, audio, audio 1 2 1 2 audio. Now I got RF power all the way back up. Audio, audio, hello, hello, audio. Still wants to back up. See how many amps is it pulling? Audio, 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 audio. About 68 amps. Is that right? Audio, 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 audio. No, 58 amps. Right there. With the HCs in it. Hello audio, audio 1 2 1 2 audio, audio 1 2. Let me put it to you like this. Anybody will be able to hear you. Okay? Alright, I'm going to button her up and get it sent back to you. 7.3. Oh, and the fan, when you turn the amplifier on, the fan comes on. Figured that was the best way to do it instead of waiting for it to get hot and then try to cool down. So as soon as you turn the amp on, the fan comes on with it. Alright? If you turn the amp off, fan goes off. The external fan, the auxiliary fan goes off. The internal fans keep going. Okay? Until it's cool enough for them to shut down. But I would leave it on after you get through talking on it. I would leave it on until it has time to cool down. Okay? Just remember, when you're talking on AM, take a break every once in a while, let this thing cool down. Because that's where all the heat's generated when you're talking on AM. Alright.